Former City State's Attorney Unveils released a first-of-its-kind strategic plan to improve quality of life and workflow for residents and the city's judicial system. Stefan Dingle is in your corner, sitting down with Bates to break down his 23-page plan.
Since taking over a year ago as Baltimore's top prosecutor, City State's Attorney Ivan Bates is looking to modernize his office and the effectiveness for the citizens it serves.
We've made a lot of changes, and the office is definitely in a better position now than when we took over. But what can we do to get it to the level where the citizens are proud of the state's attorney's office?
To do that, Ivan Bates and his office created what he calls the first-of-its-kind strategic plan for the City State's Attorney's Office. That plan has 5 pillars he calls the FACTS: fairness, accountability, collaboration, technology-driven, and setting the standard.
Fairness, we're just talking about the criminal justice system being fair, but also how do we treat victims and witnesses? We are only going to be as good as the victims and witnesses when they feel safe to come and tell their stories to the jury.
Accountability is the creation of a citation docket system that will streamline and efficiently document incidents from law enforcement, including quality of life crimes that he believes needs to be handled with common sense through diversion programs.
Loitering, trespass, drug possession. That's why you look at the diversion programs.
These things can only work through his next pillar, collaboration, one that looks to work more closely with community partners and law enforcement to capitalize on effective crime reduction strategies. His 4th pillar is being technology-driven and getting his office up to speed with the rest of the country, including the implementation of INDEC, which is an electronic case management system.
But this will allow our prosecutors to file documents a little more quickly. It will also allow us to do the things and do the work that we need to in a way that with the technology, we are a paperless organization.
Moving his office forward in a way that prosecutes cases efficiently and effectively, while also welcoming the creation of a community advisory panel to welcome residents into the process of bettering the quality of life for people like his young daughter and all residents of our city, which speaks to his last pillar of setting the standard.
What did I do to make sure that she had a future? And what did I do to make sure that the other children in the city had a future? But also, it wasn't just the children. What did I do to make sure that the quality of life that everybody had was a little bit better?
On your corner in Baltimore City, I'm Stefan Dingle for WJZ.